In this example, we're supposed to convert 20 millihenries to microhenries. Right now, we don't care what Henry stands for, okay? We just care about the prefixes. Now, I'm going to start from the number which is given. I have 20 times 10 to negative 3 Henry, because M low case. Letter M represent 10 to negative 3, power of 10. And I'm supposed to convert this to micro. So that's why I'm supposed to write over here 10 to negative 6 Henries. Next, I simply copy 20 and I have to write times 10 times my prefix. Remember, anytime we have the same base and we have multiplication, we're supposed to keep the base and add exponent. So that's why I'm saying this exponent plus this one is supposed to give me this one. Why? Because I have multiplication and the same base. Anytime we have the same base, we simply, and multiplication, we keep the base and add exponents. The question is, what number added to negative 6 is going to give me negative 3? The answer is 3. 3 plus negative 6 gives me negative 3. So my answer is going to be 20 times 10 to the third microhenries. Remember, this power of 10 represents the numbers of zeros which I'm supposed to write after 20. So this is the part of the number, and this is my prefix. Now I'm supposed to convert 20 millihenries to nanohenries. So again, I'm going to start from the first number, 20 millihenries, right? It's nothing else, just 20 times 10 to negative 3 Henry. I'll have to end up with 10 to negative 9, because nano represents power of 10, 10 to negative 9. Copy down 20 and write times 10 times. Again, we have the same base, and we're supposed to add exponent to get this. The question is, what number added to negative 9 is going to give me negative 3? The answer is 6. 6 plus negative 9 gives me negative 3. That's why I'm going to write my answer as 20 times 10 to the 6, and this is going to be nano henries, okay? I have to keep in mind that I deal with henries. And this is simply the answer to my problem. Remember, this number represents how many zeros I'm going to write after 20, and this was my prefix, and I convert this to nano. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.